about it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually alright. You're okay.
Ay, ma-vlog ka dapat kita na, ano ba? Na, subong ng adlaw. Nakuha na yung natirang tubig kahapon? Anong saan yun? Ah. Ikaw, intro. Ikaw intro. Ikaw intro, ah! Ikaw nga ni. Hi guys. Ikaw. Ay, papap call. Okay guys,
Dito na po kami sa...
English dapat. We're here na sa Alabang.
Oh, English!
Hindi na focus.
It's okay.
Maganda naman.
Okay.
Realize ka guys.
Wag mo pindutin.
Okay, okay.
Okay guys, we're here na sa Alabang.
Yun lang. Okay, siyempre igano natin dito. Dito na tayo sa labang. Hey guys. Dito na tayo sa labang guys.
Hi!
Hey, video.
Naka-video yan!
Simangot si Miles! Guys!
Nag-tour po si Kuya.
Wala siyempre.
Pakita mo sa cameraman. Ito po cameraman
Siya po
namin.
yung nag-camera po. Dalawa.
Marina Sanchez! Dalawa! Kailangan na ni Max ng bagong sapatos. Size mo? Dapat nagbago ka. Congrats, girl. Give us sticker.
Hi guys, this is us after one day. It's currently
24 p.m.
Pauwi pa lang po.
And it's raining in Manila. Hindi ka ba nalamin?
Hawakan mo muna si Nuna.
Akin, ako.
Hindi na lumilintik. Doon lang.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Isa lang po yung payong namin.
At kasya kami. Bakit?
Hindi ko alam kung kasya tayo dito. Nadulas ako.
Uy guys, ipon tayo next time. BGC tayo.
Yawa naman. Wala akong pera. Wag na.
Hindi, ano, scooter lang.
Scooter.
Basta ako yung scooter, ano agad yun, 200 or 300.
Hindi 200 matagal na.
Matagal na.
Hindi, wala na.
Prankster ata yung ano.
Hindi na.
Sakto na yung kulay ah.
ubo.
Go.
Unang pagsubok pa, Rookies.
Sino nagsabi yung UTI ang ubo? Uy, alam ko yung UTI. Hindi ka ba ma-joke? Ano? Laptop. Pagbalik kinder.
Perfect color.
Ito ginamit ko.
Grade 1 section sa pagkita.
Ito tsaka ito ginamit ko.
Oo, mas
After ilang hours?
Ano? 2.
Wow.
Ayaw kay ate, tapos niya ulit.
Galing mo mag-photocopy.
Photocopy.
Photocopy.
Pero may... Nababother ako sa singkot mo. Sorry na.
Midnight glow where the stars align. We lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky, painted with dreams, we're chasing miracles of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, the fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust, gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light.
Magpapa-ID po kami ngayon.
Constellations will find a way. The celestial symphony will sway. With every step we leave our cares behind. In this celestial ballroom, love's defined. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, the fences bloom in the pale moonlight. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. In shimmering galaxies, we'll find our way. Guided by love's everlasting sway, with each celestial heartbeat, we dance on in this cosmic gate as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light.